In a bustling city, a city planner sends a brisk message about a mural project, but speed strips nuance from the inbox. A shop owner replies with a curt thumbs up, mistaking the tone for cold efficiency and seeding quiet frustration. Across screens, quick notes pile up, and collaboration becomes a game of telephone across a crowded digital chorus. A lunchtime meeting reveals the gap between words and intent, and the need to slow down to listen. They walk the site together, ask clarifying questions, and the mural finally finds its true rhythm.